Here I have 2 coconut. Now I'm going to show you how to clean coconut in an authentic and proper way. Let's see. Hello my lovely people, welcome back to the channel Rani's Pakshala and more. Christmas and New Year is finished, but still winter. For our desi people, we have every season there is a festival. Now coming in January, middle of January, maybe sometimes 14 or sometimes 15. We have a Posh Parbon, Posh Sankranti, the winter festival. Every festival we have a special food. For winter festival, we have a winter food, mostly with sweet things. And this winter food and coconut is very connected. We made in Bengali especially pithe puli. Yeah, there is many kinds of pithe puli, patishapte pithe, bhapa puli, puli pithe, bhaja puli, bhapa pithe. So many kind of pithe puli, many times with the filling of coconut, and some people also do the filling of milkmaid, kheer like this. But yeah, coconut is very important. Look, cocoa chips, if you don't clean properly, then in the coconut the chips comes out, and this is not nice. That's why I'm going to show you how to clean and how to grate coconut properly. Here I have boti, and I put one towel here. Then my floor is not dirty, and this is a piri we call in Bengali. My husband Ashish made it for my, especially because when I am doing something with the boti, I sit here. And this is grater, we call it koroni. And I hope this coconut will good because there is a water. I can hear the sound of water. Looks so many cocoa chips, coconut husks. One I do after cleaning, and I don't clean it. I will show you. If you don't clean, then what happened? I'm done. Look, from one coconut, how many? I have some water in bowl. Which one I clean, wash it, and then I will grate it. If something still here, then it will go with the fresh water. Now I'm going to break the coconut. Look, coconut is good. I clean it. Here is some water. Do like this, and every time you move it, then nicely grate from every side. Look, there is no cocoa chips. If you don't clean it, then cocoa chips comes out here on the grated coconut. Almost done. And this I will do later because otherwise the video will be no cocoa chips here. And I am going to make this one without a clean one. This one also good. I'm very lucky today. Both of my coconut is good. This is unclean one. I'm going to show you what happened. Look, started here, here, here. I'm just doing this for show you. I will clean it later. Look, so many. Look here also. Look here. Look my hand, and here so many. I'm done with this one also. So many on my hand also, and so many, I think you can see. I will show you closely two of my plates. This is clean one and this is unclean. This one I grate after clean the coconut, and this one I grate uncleaned coconut. See the differences here is lots of cocoa chips on coconut. I hope you can understand the differences. That's why better is clean your coconut before start grate. Hopefully all of you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friend and family if possible. All of you enjoy the winter season. I will come back again with a new video. সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। সবাই খুব ভালো থাকবে। নমস্কার। টাটা।